hello everyone, and there is a very great news for us for the last cohort participants. Okay, so guess what just landed in my inbox? That important information about your arcade swags order from White Square International. Okay, so yes, my Google Cloud Arcade swags are on the way, and if you have got the champion or legend milestone, then I guess you have already received this. So I am just explaining all the things that what is happening here. Okay, so you already received the thank you for placing your order number at White Square International. Okay, so this is the confirmation email that they have received your order successfully. Okay, so here it all mentioned that I ordered my Arcade Legend tier swags and Google Cloud is rewarding the hard work. And like here's the deal that White Square International got my order. It is being processed and it is mentioning that congratulations on successfully completing a milestone in the skill boosts arcade campaign and ordering your tracks. Okay, so please read this carefully that our order is being processed. Okay, and here it is very important that if your address is like you have to update, then you can just mail to this email so they can update. Like the last date to update is 30th of September. Okay, they have already included it. So please and please, if your address is changed or your address is updated, so you can just mail to this that I have to update my uh, address, so they will just update this. Okay, and if anything is here incorrect, then also you can just mail to them that it is incorrect here, so they will update. Okay. Okay, so the next thing that when it will be delivered, so please note that as per the initial timeline given by both Google and us, that our sacks will take 8 to 12 weeks, means 2 to 3 months time to be shipped. So congratulations to you all guys that we have ordered in mid-July. So we'll be receiving it in mid of October. Like only 1.5 months are remaining of claiming our sacks and getting our sacks. So I am very excited to unboxing all the swags and like after shipping it will take 7 to 14 days for your package to arrive post shipping. Okay, so like you just have to wait for at least 7 days, 1 month and 7 days. So after this your swags will be delivered to you all guys. Okay, so you just have to wait till October end, and also you will be receiving a tracking link if your order will be shipped. Okay, so maybe you will be getting all the things in mid of October. Okay, so some commonly asked questions are that can my order be delivered faster? There is no need to worry about that. They will just ship all the things according to their policy. Okay, so there this is, I guess I don't have to explain this. Okay, so yeah, here is that please note that you can make changes to your address, contact details and t-shirt size also you can change until 30th of September only. Okay, so please go and check that what is your all the things here. Okay, so please go and check that if your anything is incorrect, so you can just check it here that what is the incorrection in your like all the details. You can just mention and you can just email to them so they will change it. I hope like this video helps you a lot, and like make sure that your address is correct and only one swag per participant is there. It is the rule of for them. Okay. So if you found this video helpful, so you can like the video and subscribe our channel. We are already keeping you motivated to show all our things. Okay, so the last thing that I want to share that if you want to participate in Paranox 2.0 hackathon, so you can just participate and win up to 1 lakh plus prizes. And also if you want to become a campus ambassador, then also you can apply from this video. Okay, and like I will attach all the video and hackathon links in the description, so you can just check it here if you can participate. Okay, so I guess we have included all the things. So Adil Latif signing off. Keep learning and keep shining. Thank you.